Okay, so I just want to show something on how to calculate resistance in series. Now, you need to have a bit knowledge on addition. That's all that you need. Whenever we talk of resistance in series, okay, that's a simple technique. So when you've got two or more resistors in series, this is how you add them. So let's say you have this resistor connected to this resistor. Maybe this is also connected to another resistor. Okay, so this is your resistor 1, this is your resistor 2, this is your resistor 3. So now how do you move on? Total resistance, okay, total resistance will be equal to resistance in resistor 1 plus resistance in resistor 2 plus resistance in resistor 3. For example, okay, let's say this is a circuit that you have been given, and let's say this is a closed circuit, and you have been given something like this, which you have to present like that, and here they have given you 2 ohms, and then they have given you 3 ohms, and they tell you to find the total resistance. How do you find total resistance in this case? So total resistance is just equal to 2 ohms plus 3 ohms, and this will give you 5 ohms. That's how you find resistance in series. Let's look at in parallel. Now, resistance in parallel is a little bit different from those in series. Now, let's say when you have 2 or more resistors connected in parallel, this is how you do it. So let's say I have this resistor, okay, in parallel with the other resistor. Let me have 3. These are in parallel. Okay, these are in parallel. Okay, so you have these 3 resistors that are in parallel. How do you find the total resistance? So this is your resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor what? 3. So total resistance in this case is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. This is further, the final formula becomes 1 over total resistance is equal to, okay, so 1 over total resistance is equal to 1 over resistor 1 plus 1 over resistance 2 plus 1 over resistance what? 3. Let's look at an example. So let's say you have, so this is an example. So let's say you have this, okay, 2 ohms connected in parallel with another 4 ohms also connected in parallel, another 3 ohms. So these are connected. Okay, what will be our total resistance? So total resistance over this will be equal to 1 over 2 ohms plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. So this will be 1 over total resistance equal to, we need to find the common denominator here. Common denominator is a number where 2, 4, 3 can go without leaving any remainder. That is 12. 2 into 12 is 6 times 1 is 6 plus. It will be 3 and that will be 4. So 1 over TR is equal to, this is 9. 9 plus 3. So 9 plus 4, that is 13 over 12. Now remember, because there's also 1 over TR here. So total resistance will be equal to, because we've swapped this side, even here we're going to swap. That will go there and this one come down. So it will be 12 over 13. So our total resistance, okay, will be equal to, so we are going to swap those. That will be 12 over 13 ohms. If you've got a calculator, you can divide and give you a decimal number. So that is how you do it. See you in the next video.